You've invested in tools, you're tracking metrics, but when it's time to decide, you freeze. We hear this a lot at ZENOH. And here's what's really going on. Let's be honest, more data doesn't mean more clarity. In fact, it often means more confusion. You've got sales reports, cost charts, forecasts, but none of them tell you what to do. Most dashboards today are built to impress, not to inform. They show everything, past trends, current numbers, but no direction. That's why it still feels like guesswork. What you're missing isn't data, it's design. You need KPIs that speak the language of your business, not 25 metrics, just 4 to 5 that really move the needle. First, stop tracking activity, start tracking outcomes. Second, your dashboard should tell you what's working, what's slipping, and where to act now. Use red, yellow, green cues. Add labels, set thresholds. Don't just report numbers, interpret them. Your dashboard should feel like a business GPS, not a spreadsheet. This shift from raw data to business insight changes everything. It puts you back in the driver's seat. You stop guessing and start leading with clarity. If you're ready to stop second guessing every big move, start with your systems. We cover real solutions like this every week at ZENOH. And if you've got a question like this, send it our way. You might hear your answer next.